Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tenia Marie, and I am back with a quick high bun natural hair tutorial. So I started on not clean hair, but super stretched out hair in my red bottle. That is a little bit of jojoba oil and water and a small amount of just regular conditioner. And I intentionally left this part in because it's a mess, and I wanted to show you sometimes it's really hard to get these parts and these sections to line up. Yeah, and I thought it was kind of funny because my hair is looking like a mad scientist, so I wanted to show you how we go from ashy to classy. So here you see that I am doing 3 twists in the front. And at the very end, I am applying a little bit of the Gemini Naturals Sunset hair color just to give a little pop to the front section of my hair. But here is the fun part. So I twisted the bottom to give it, and look at that curl. But I'm doing what's called a hanging Bantu knot. And I saw Yolanda Renee do this like years ago. But yeah, that's called a hanging Bantu knot. And that is what I do to the ends of my hair that just seem to be kind of straighter or looser curl than the rest. I always do a hanging Bantu knot. Can we talk about this color though? Yes, get this color, get this sunset on them tips, girl. Yes. So this is my favorite hair temporary hair color. I've done a video on it before, but I really like it because yeah, girl, it just applies really smoothly, and I can essentially add it anywhere on my hair just to give my hair a little boost. So I'm doing the same thing, twisting, 2-strand twisting, and then when I get to the end, I'm wrapping it around to give one curl, and then I am applying a little bit more color, and then I'm going to do my favorite thing, a hanging Bantu knot. Again, the benefit of a hanging Bantu knot is curl action on 100. Like, my curls pop so much better at the end when I do this hanging Bantu knot, and it's really easy to do. Alright, so I will check back in once we are done with this section. Alright, so I am all finished twisting, and you see I just applied a little bobby pin to secure that top portion so that it's not flying all in my face, and that's what I use to tie my hair, a good old, I think that's a shoestring. The thing with the shoestring is I put oil around the shoestring, the shoestring before I put it on my hair. I just feel like it does something magical to it. So now we're working on the puff portion of my hair. All I did was spray it with that mixture that's in my red bottle, which is jojoba oil, water, and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm gathering my hair, and I've sped this up, but it's really important to take your time when you are gathering those sections of hair. I try to get as many kinks out of my roots as possible, because I find that when I wear my hair in these coconut oil, I put a little bit of coconut oil around my edges and the base of my hair, I guess the nape of my neck, and then around the top of the puff as well. And that is a detangling brush, my favorite from Evolve. I got it from Walmart, and that is how I further smooth down the back of my hair. And then I go in with my boar brush on the black side. And you just see me, I am smoothing, trying to get everything to get closer to the top of my head, so that I don't have to do as much work putting the tying it up, because that's really important, to push your hair up higher on your own without securing it, because I find that if I solely rely on the shoestring to pull my hair up, my head is gonna hurt so bad. So I highly recommend that you I highly recommend that you do as much work as you can on your own to gather your hair up on your own before you. I'm always dancing. I don't know what I was listening to, but it's probably something good. Who else listens to music while you do your hair? I feel like I have to get me going, to keep me motivated with this natural hair, because it's totally a huge task sometimes. Anyway, so you just see me here, and I started at the bottom and I'm working my way up. Again, another tip, you see I am pushing it back a little with my hands. That helps with the tension. If you just get in there on your own and push it up with your hands a little bit more, instead of pulling it super tight with the string or whatever, if you use leggings or your tie, I feel like you get a better turnout if you take your time and move some of it up with your hands. All right, so this is pretty much the finished result, the finished look, and I'm just smoothing out my edges in the back with a rat tail comb and pulling out as many curls, as I want, and I'm fluffing. I let the 3 twists in the front dry for about an hour and a half. I untwisted and I unraveled. Super easy, fun tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.